let me add one more thing on the crypto, you guys. If you look here at a chart, this, by the way, is our an outline of our crypto strategy on Bitcoin. That sound you heard is a sound that comes up on this particular platform where I did the basic development before it goes into the AI of how how we would trade Bitcoin from the beginning of the year. So even if we had Bitcoin as of here we are, January of 2022. If you look all the way forward, we have only made a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades literally in 6 months. And so that is almost nothing. And if I go back to the previous months, November, December of 2021, another 2. So I've made 11 trades in literally 8, 9 months. In other words, we can't, there's no money to be made. If you look here through April, this is April and May and June. We had no trades in April, no trades in May, 1 trade in June. That's it. This is a down market. Mm-hmm. And in a down market with this kind of steepness, very difficult to make money. Look at the few times that we did trade. Look at these are the things where you definitely say we're dating. And this is like speed dating with the way we do it. And here's an example of a trade we made a little money, a trade where we broke even, bought it, sold it the next day, bought it, sold it 2 days later, bought it, lost a little tiny amount of money, bought it, lost a tiny money, bought it, lost a tiny amount of money. We're only in here to be able to look at trades where the market is in advancing mode. This is where we can make money. See the short-term nature of it? But even if we had crypto, everybody, we wouldn't have made any trades anyway, because the market isn't inducive to buying and selling crypto in a down market. It's just not inducive. And this is never a market, even though it's gone down so much, it's very difficult to sell it. And so
we'd be answering a different question if it was up and running. The question would be, why is it not trading more?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. And so we look at crypto literally as a speed date. We want to own it. We want to own it from the long side, not the short side. And this is kind of, if you can see, you'll see this kind of patterns the way all of our signals work, regardless, that we're always looking at trying to buy something that we have a high expectation of going up and sell something that we feel we have no expectation one way or the other. So unlike a buy and hold investor, where if they have no expectation, why would you buy or hold something, especially if it bears no interest?
And I got one more little announcement, Aaron, before you cut everybody loose. I know we're at the end of our time.
Yep.
For those of you that are accredited, if you're an accredited investor and you are really interested in the crypto space, send me an email. We have something cooking that I think you'll like very, very much. So just send me an email. If you don't have it, it's randy@iflipinvest.com, or text me. Most of you have my cell. Text me, email me, and say, hey, Randy, what's up with I am an accredited investor. Tell me more about your crypto thing that you got going on outside the software.